Good afternoon and welcome in to Meet Your Neighbor. We're visiting with elder law attorney David Groner with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. David, we've talked a lot about Medicaid protection, nursing home protection, and trusts, but what are some other benefits aside from that Medicaid or nursing home protection that clients will get from a trust?
Well, the first thing that a trust can do besides save your estate from nursing home is it avoids having to go through the expensive, time-consuming, and worst of all, public process of a succession. That's, doing a will, we're always taught, oh, you have to do a will when you plan your estate, but that could be the worst thing you do to transition your estate to your children. Why is that? Because you're forcing your children to go find a lawyer, pay a lot of money, just to have it filed in court, approved by a judge, and then all your assets are put in public display through the court system before the judge transitions it back to the children. And no one wants to do that nowadays. A trust is totally private, and the only people that know what's in the trust are you, your children, and the lawyer that prepares the trust.
And I think you've also mentioned this before, but a trust can also a lot of times be cheaper than creating a will?
Well, think about it. The trust, you pay for it now, and your children won't have to hire a lawyer to do all that when you die. So it's already taken care of. What's it going to cost 5 years or 10 years from now when you die? What are your children going to have to pay to hire a lawyer to go through that process? The cost only goes up, and unfortunately a lot of lawyers charge by how valuable the estate is, which they shouldn't do, but they do. And there's no telling what that expense will be.
Now, you told us before about speaking at workshops for those who would like to come and learn more from you. Do you have any of those coming up, or a way for us to keep track of where you're headed?
I do. And if you go to Acadiana Elder Law Clinic and you go on Facebook, you can generally find the workshops being posted on that location. And it's great. I'm getting to meet a lot of people. The problem is you have to register early because it fills up very quickly and there's limited space. So I'll do this all over. I do it from New Orleans to Baton Rouge to, of course, Lafayette. And, it's great. We have a great turnout, and we get a lot of useful information out to people when we do that.
You guys can visit the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic's Facebook page and website to keep track of where David will be speaking at workshops if you want to learn more, or you can give that number a call that you see on your screen.